Yes. I'm Elizabeth Burton, and I'm here this evening to discuss my mother's will that I tried to probate. And I had my letter together, and Judge Bill English had me escorted out, stating that this was not a commission issue, it was a probate issue. And I stated, no sir, this is a Lee County issue. And here's the letter, and I would like to read to you what I had written. June 12, 2023, to the Lee County Commission. On March 4th, 2022, I was granted letters of testamentary by probate judge Bill English on behalf of my deceased mother's last wishes and will. And Bill English, being the trustee, state administrator, or probate judge, and myself and my children are the sole beneficiaries. On June 3rd, 2022, Bill English revoked my letters of testamentary. Why? Let me explain. My mother's sister daughter does not like me, and she and my previous attorney devised a wicked and evil scheme / plan to find me in contempt of court, stating that I did not serve the heirs with proper notice and that I was not my mother's biological daughter, in which I have had to get certified documentation that my mother was indeed my legal parent / guardian. On May the 16th, 2022, I had a Zoom call meeting. I wrote a written request to have my attorney present. I was denied my right to my attorney. Bill English proceeded with the hearing. I was constantly objected to by Bill English and told I did not have the right to speak after being asked a question. My daughter was told by Bill English that, quote, I don't give a jack squat about what you have to say. We were highly disrespected and talked down upon. The opposite party told lies and was told she did not have to answer questions that she was being asked. And she was granted the opportunity to do so as she pleased, which was not right. I have also retrieved my certified copy of the affidavit of publication of legal notice, whereas the issue was placed and advertised in the newspaper for 3 consecutive weeks. I had to go above and beyond and give all family members, biologically and non-biological persons, individual personal notices by Federal Express, mail, hand-delivered notices of my mother's date of death, and a copy of the newspaper article from March the 24th, 2022. After serving the orchestrator / bogus originator her paperwork that she and her attorney made known that I should do, she wrote on the Federal Express envelope, "Return to sender," and returned the letter and notice back to me, which means she is rejecting what she requested and wants Bill English to honor her malicious scheme. She has gone over my mother's will and took it upon herself to steal things and do criminal acts to try to get away with it, in which she / they will not, in Jesus' name. Myself and my children's civil rights have been violated. We have been harmed by this malicious act. I am tired of being molested by the county, and delayed processes has caused me great harm. We have not received our minimum standard of care according to the law. It is Bill English fiduciary duty as the trustee / probate judge to do what is right and release to Elizabeth, David, and Deidre my mother's last wishes, to grant us the true and legal beneficiaries as per her request. I have since filed a complaint with the Judiciary Board and the Alabama Bar. People make wills every day. They do as they please. They will things to people whom are not their biological ancestors. They could be a friend, organization, pet, or just a person that they do not even know. I, along with everyone else, know that a will is a will, and a legal will is binding. And I do know the definition of testate. Thank you.